Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we provide visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Send your request into designs@patioheat.com for your personalized recommendations. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decisions for your applications. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so we have this covered patio section here. Residential application, and let's go ahead and look at the overall dimensions I have. So far I have the dimensions here. I got 29 feet 9 center to center on the post. I have 44 feet here from center to this post here to the center of this post here, and then I have 17 feet center to center on these posts, or outside edge to outside edge, 15 foot 3.5, and then I have 13 foot 8. I believe this is all a flat recessed ceiling, and I have it at 10 foot off the finished floor. I shouldn't say recessed, but I'm going to recess the heaters. In any case, that's the overall dimensions that I have. And so looking at the floor plan, just to see that I matched up what floor plan I have. And I hope this is going to be something very similar to what they actually have in their residence. I don't have what the residence looks like, but in any case, this is what I have so far. We have some doors that swing left to right, left to right. This door here swings into the structure, and then another door over here, left and right. TV set, a bar stool area, dining over here. There's a table tennis area here. And this space here, they do not want to be heated. There is a fire pit there, and then seating over here, and I'm not sure what type of seating is over here, but they did ask for some heatings over here. The next thing I'm going to just go through is the fact that let's see if I can grab this here. So I have the ceiling joists, and I don't know truly which way they go, but I have these all set up in this direction. And then this set of them here going, at a 45-degree roughly angle to the other. And then this section over here, you can see I have these in this direction. Not sure if this is true, but it will play a very important role as far as, can we put flush mount units in the area, and how can we do that? So let's go ahead and look at those flush mount units, and there we go. So what I have, and I have the ray on already, I have two 6,000 watt units over here. I'm not quite sure if they want the whole entire space heated. If they did, then we would just add another unit over here. And I believe I have these all at 8 foot center to center right now. So wherever the center point of this, the main seating area is, and if this is seating area, then I would take this, first unit here as the center, and then move this one over to the right at 8 foot center to center, and then this one to the left at center to center, 8 foot, and then centered within this span here to here. Over here I just have the one unit, and that should heat up this little reclining space over here. And I do have it off center as far as the area, or I should say from left to right here, so that it heats up this outer edge a little bit better, because I'm assuming this is going to be a walking space. And yes, you could put it centrally located within the span here, but visually that would probably look better. Let's go ahead and just see what that would look like. That's roughly the center on those ceiling joists, and you can see that, yeah, that would probably still be okay. So let's just go ahead and stick with that. If you're sitting here, you're going to be in that ray, and that would be fine. And then so wherever the center point is here of this seating area, it should be the center point of this space of the heater location. Now you can see that my ceiling joists are right there, so you may have to block this out so that you can actually install the flush mount kit in the ceiling. And then we'll go ahead and look over here, and we have the dining space here. From the center of the dining space, I have this at 3.5 feet this direction, and then 3.5 feet at this direction. And then from here to here, I have it at 7 foot center to center, from there to there. And over here now, this is going to be some space that you are going to be standing in. When you're standing in some space like this, you don't want really the true 6,000 watt unit on you. So you definitely want a dimmer system, but I would probably still look at using a 6,000 watt unit, just so that, you know, there might be that time of season that you actually are going to remove this and place some more seating over here for additional dining. So I would still consider using the 6,000 watt unit, but I would definitely put a dimmer system on the entire space, actually, because 6,000 watt unit is very warm, but on the colder days, you know, you'd want something that's going to heat up as much as possible so that you can extend the season as far as possible. Lastly, I have the bar stool seating height here, and over here, the only way I can really see about heating up the outer edge here, you can see that, you know, these seating positions are over here, and if I was to just, you know, say that I wanted to move or place another unit this direction here, I really wouldn't be heating up the area as nicely as I would like. And that's because this is infrared light wave. Infrared light wave is absorbed into mass, human body being mass, tables, chairs, floors, and this bar stool or this bar area. So the lower part of your body is not going to be really receiving any of that heat whatsoever. I have it just about to the edge here, so I'm not really happy about placing an additional unit flush mount like that. But if you wanted to, you could go with a slimline and place it on the outer edge of this section of the patio. And I have this at a 20-degree angle from straight down. I actually am using the extended brackets, so this bracket is extended 6 inches additional to the OEM bracket. And I think that would be a pretty good output. I would definitely go with the 6,000, or excuse me, a 4,000 watt unit on something like this. You could use the SL4024, but you definitely want a dimmer on this unit as well. And that's because of the fact that when you're sitting so much closer to the infrared light waves, that intensity is a lot hotter, and you don't need the 6,000 watt unit over here unless you have it on a control system. But even a 4,000 watt, in my opinion, would probably be too hot, you know, after say 10, 15, 20 minutes of sitting underneath the heater. That's why you still do want a control for that option. I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. So if you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve. Please tap that like button if you find this video useful. We don't advertise, we're not monetized. YouTube will not support us unless we receive thumbs ups from our viewers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Have a great day.